I call your matter? It looks like we're ready, Miss Sandy, is that right? Brandon Wolf, can you activate your camera and unmute yourself, please?
Yes.
I'm gonna open court now. Go ahead.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating or drinking, no talking or smoking, no sleeping or laying down, no gum chewing, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Brandon Wolf. This is U ticket 468-21918. This is one count of disorderly conduct. This is the date and time set for a review. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Marlena Baird on behalf of Brandon Wolf.
Mr. Wolf, can you state your name for the record, please?
Brandon Wolf.
This is the date and time set for a review on this matter. Mr. Wolf was to have done 20 hours of community service for this ticket. He did complete that community service. I have a copy of that in the file at Love and Kindness. So the court is going to close out this matter at this time. You're all set, sir. Okay, thank you, Mr. Wolf.
All righty.
Have a good day.
All right, you too.
Mr. James Williams?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus James Williams. This is ticket number U60007221. One count of one second. Prohibited conduct, maybe? Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Marlena Baird on behalf of James Williams. Judge, he wants to waive his rights and accept that delayed sentence plea.
Is that right, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to take your attention back to the date of August the 25th of 2021. Were you at a location, East 8 Mile 12210 Tycoons at that location?
Yes.
And while you were inside that location, did you touch someone who was semi-nude?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Attorney Barrett?
Yes.
You did that on purpose, correct?
Yes.
All right. Court is satisfied as well. It's going to accept the plea to prohibited conduct. Sir, it's under a 12-month delayed sentence. What that means is that after 12 months, as long as you have no new contacts or anything like that, this case will be dismissed. I'm going to assess a fine though. You're gonna have to pay that fine and then you'll have the 12 months to pay it. You'll come back for a review in a year. And as long as you have no new tickets, this will be dismissed, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Gonna assess a $300 fine, okay? But you have the entire year to be
Okay.
able to pay that. We're gonna have a review on April the 14th of 2023, okay?
All right.
No new tickets, no anything, and you pay the fine. This will be dismissed, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, thank you, Mr. Williams, for taking accountability of this, okay?
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Heavenly Winters,
Yes,
okay, can you activate your camera for me? There you go. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Heavenly Winters, I apologize. Ticket number P 11868838. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Melita Bear for Heavenly Winters. Judge, she wants to waive her rights and plead guilty to the offer.
Ms. Winters, can you state your name for the record, please?
Heavenly Winters.
All right, it's my understanding that you would like to take advantage of this offer today.
Yes,
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You can put your hand down. Ms. Winters, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
yes,
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking a guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
yes,
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
yes,
All right. I'm going to take your attention back to the date of April the 17th of 2021. Were you in the area of Grandma and Schoolcraft in the city of Detroit driving a Pontiac vehicle?
yes,
And in that area at that time, were you driving in a reckless manner?
yes,
Satisfied, Attorney Derek?
Yes,
Is there a stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
yes,
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of the amended charge of drag racing, man, which has less points and doesn't carry a suspension with your license like reckless driving does, and dismiss the remaining 2 counts of this ticket. Ms. Winters, I think that this was an arraignment on a bench warrant. Did you put the bond? Ms. Winters,
yes.
I said, I see this was a bench warrant, arraignment on a bench warrant. Did you post a bond?
No, when I went down there to the 36th District Court, they told me that I couldn't do anything until I had a court date.
Okay. Did you ever pay any bond or no?
No,
Okay. All right. All right, Ms. Winters, I'm gonna assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
I could pay it tomorrow.
All right, the courts are closed tomorrow, so you can pay it online. But I'm gonna give you 30 days just in case, so I'm gonna have it do no later than May 16th, 2022, okay?
Okay,
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. You have a good day, okay, ma'am?
you too.
All right. Bye-bye. Ms. Wilkerson?
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, I haven't spoke to her.
I know, it's okay. I got this one. Don't worry.
Okay.
Now calling the matters of people versus Osita Wilkerson. This is Z ticket 808426. One count of operating while intoxicated. Yep. Also calling ticket number P1232623. One count open alcohol and motor vehicle drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Melita Baird on behalf of Osita Wilkerson.
And Ms. Wilkerson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Cynthia Wilkerson.
Ms. Wilkerson was here last week. We realized that she was here for a hearing, and the court had to do some further investigation. She's currently on probation to Judge Bryant, and it appeared that this was the same incident on which I called on the record that she received and is on active probation to Judge Bryant for. We did look into it, Ms. Wilkerson, and it is the same incident. What ends up happening sometimes is that they'll charge a city and a state ticket, and they won't communicate with one another about it, okay? So the court is going to dismiss both of these tickets today because you've already pled to the other ticket and you're already on probation for that. So the court's gonna dismiss ticket number Z808426 and ticket P1232623 because you've already taken care of it, okay, Ms. Wilkerson?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's you. You already took responsibility for it though, okay? So good
Yes,
luck
ma'am.
to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. You're all set, okay, Ms. Wilkerson? Just follow all the orders of Judge Bryan, okay?
Yes,
Hold
ma'am.
tight to whatever she says to do so that you can successfully complete probation, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Mr. Watson is supposed to be here for a review today. Did you do what you were supposed to do, Mr. Watson? I see that you just came on about a half an hour ago. Did you do all the things you were supposed to do?
Yes, ma'am, I did. I'm not exactly sure if the place that I went to complete the community service hours, he's supposed to just sign it on a piece of paper, or is it a piece of paper?
Did you
that I'm
call
supposed
Ms. Green like I asked you to do after we got off the call?
I don't think I never received his number.
I always give out the phone number online to everyone, Mr. Watson, especially when I give community service, so that you can reach out to Ms. Green and make sure that your community service is in order. And I know that they've done it because I always receive this nice little sheet back from them letting me know that they completed community service. Do you have a copy of the completed community service?
No, I don't.
All right. So how much time do you need to get a copy of that?
By Monday morning.
So if I have that quick turnaround, see what I have going on. Okay, hold on 1 second, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can put yourself on mute.
Okay.
Okay, how long does? Oh. Mr. Watson, we don't have anything back from Focus Hope on your behalf, so I'm gonna have to adjourn this, okay? Make sure they send it over to Ms. Green. I'm gonna give you her phone number again, so if you need a sheet of paper or something to write it down with, go get it, and then I'll call the
Okay.
matter, okay?
Okay,
Take
can you
your
give me?
time.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, go ahead.
Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, Judge. I'm ready.
Oh, no, it's okay. The number is 313
313
965
965
8130.
8130.
Okay, I'm gonna call this matter just so I can adjourn it to another date.
Okay, yes, ma'am. And I have to be to work at 10 o'clock.
All right, I'm gonna hurry it along. But you
Oh,
came
I'm
on
sorry. I
early.
wasn't trying to
Came
rush you.
on early. I don't want
Huh?
you to lose your employment though. I said I don't want you to lose your employment though.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. All right, you ready? Now
Yes.
calling the matter of the people versus Javon Watson. This is U ticket 4515238. This is one count of disorderly conduct. It is here today for a review. Appearances for the record, please, starting with counsel.
Melita Baird on behalf of Jawan Watson.
And Mr. Watson, state your name for the record, please.
Javon Watson.
All right. Mr. Watson, I see that I adjourned this once already, okay? You came on 314 and I adjourned it to 414 so that you can complete it. It sounds like you completed it now, but you need to get that paperwork over, okay? You don't want it to go to the original charge of EWOP. And that's what
No,
ends up
ma'am.
happening. Don't do it, okay? Or I can charge you a fine. All right, so I'm gonna give you, so next week, because you said you've already done it, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you're gonna return April the 21st, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. This is for the review. As long as you have it completed, give that give that phone number a call. And she'll be able to get it from Focus Hope. And then that way you can be, or wherever you did your community service, so that when you come on, we already have a copy of it and I can close this out, okay?
Okay, that sounds perfect.
All right, there's nothing, that concludes this hearing. Have a good day and get to work, sir, okay?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Okay.
They check.
Hello.
Hello?
Hey, you know how long this is gonna last?
Do you have some place that you need to be this morning, Mr. Williams?
At 12.
Okay, we'll be finished before 12. Right now, I'm waiting on an attorney to give you an offer. Now, you can plead as charged and get these points on your record if you would like. Is that how you want to move forward?
Oh, no, no.
Okay, exercise some patience. I haven't forgotten about you at all. I know it's been a long time. You've just been holding in place, but it's because I don't have an offer yet for your case. So I'm trying to get an offer so that we can move forward, okay?
All right.
What are you doing?
Good. It's just this is everybody else is taking care of you.
Okay. Just need to know what the offer is. Oh, okay.
Hi, John.
Hey, how you doing, Miss Sandy?
I'm well. How are you?
Good. House counsel. Oh, okay.
Hi, John.
Hey, Miss Barrett, how you doing today?
Fine. How are you? How's everybody doing?
Everyone's doing well. How about
That's
yourself?
good. Well, I'm doing good. I ain't got no complaints. Are you
Okay.
gonna sit? I got a question. Are you all gonna email that to me and I'm gonna go talk to him in the breakout room? How are you gonna handle it, Judge?
Well, that's how it would have been. He can talk to you about it. Now we gotta put him back in the breakout room because he came out to the main room. And so we'll figure it out. Yes, I'll let you talk in private to him. No, he's just gonna have to return to a breakout room.
Okay, so
I'm about to do
I
that right now.
guess
My
John,
bad.
So I was gonna ask if Mr. Williams, oh wait, shoot, never mind. His driver's license suspended. I was gonna ask if he had the ability to go get his license, but it looks like maybe is it still suspended? Do we know?
No, it was temporarily.
Temporarily suspended? Yeah, we just. Thank you, Mayor. We're gonna pull his driving record because he did the driving course, so that we'll dismiss the speeding based on the completion of the Michigan Basic Driver Improvement Course. So I was just gonna see what we can do here on his driver's license charge. Thank you, Mayor. I appreciate it.
okay, I gotta pull this back up. Okay, so I guess what breakout room is he gonna go into, or were you still talking to him? Let me see something. Trying to find that.
I was supposed to be in 2. I can go back to that one.
Does he go back to 2, Judge, or how does he do that?
Yes, please.
Okay, hold on. But I gotta wait for the offer.
Okay.
Well, you know what? This is gonna be a dismissal. His driver's license is no longer suspended. So that takes care of the first count, and his speeding, based on the completion of the driver class, we'll dismiss that. So
Oh, okay. Well, we
let me just.
don't need a
write it up.
breakout room.
Well, thank you.
All right, let me just get the file back and then I'll file it on the record. Thank you. Miss Sandy, you ready? Oh, she popped right on up. Thank you. Mr. Williams, can you please activate your camera and turn yourself off?
Yeah.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Avery Williams. This is ticket number P1216238. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Marlena Barrett on behalf of Avery Williams. Judge, there was a recommendation for Mr. Williams. We ask that the court adopt that recommendation.
All right, at this time, I do have in my possession a recommendation for dismissal, sir, and that is because you took that class, that driving class, and because your license is now valid. And so thank you for doing that. Watch your speed, sir, okay?
Okay.
Look over your record and see, your foot gets a little heavy sometimes, okay? You need to slow down, okay?
All right.
All right, there's nothing further. This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You conclude this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Williams. You're all set.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.